Hey there, fellow programmers, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the best tips and tricks to boost your productivity. Today, we're going to kickstart your week with some Monday motivation specifically tailored for programmers. So, let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about setting goals for the week. As programmers, it's crucial to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Take a few minutes every Monday morning to define your goals and prioritize your tasks. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the week. Remember to set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This will ensure that your goals are realistic and actionable. Now, let's talk about staying motivated throughout the week. One great way to do this is by surrounding yourself with motivation. Find inspirational quotes, create a vision board, or even set up a dedicated workspace that reflects your passion for programming. These small changes can make a big difference in your mindset and overall productivity. Another important aspect of staying motivated is taking care of yourself. Remember to prioritize self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and getting enough sleep. A healthy body and mind will keep you energized and focused, leading to increased productivity. Speaking of productivity, don't forget to leverage the power of online resources. There are plenty of websites, forums, and communities dedicated to programming that can help you solve problems, learn new techniques, and stay up to date with the latest trends. I'll leave a link in the description below for some of my favorite resources. And that's it for today's Monday motivation for programmers. I hope these tips will help you kickstart your week and make it the most productive one yet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and remember to check the description for more useful resources. Stay motivated, stay productive, and happy coding! See you in the next video.